Hi, my name's Dan from Seaford MG, and today I'm going to present you this 2020 MG ZS Excite. This Batsy Blue example has done just 4,551 miles from new and was supplied by ourselves at Seaford MG brand new. This one is the facelift variant. The ZS went through some styling changes in 2020, of which this is the new model. The new model has a different designed front and rear bumper, 17-inch alloy wheels. Inside the car, the Excite model has got the grey and black seats with the red stitching, the large media screen with DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and all of your temperature controls. This one has got a 5-speed manual gearbox. The rear LED light cluster, and this model has got rear parking sensors. If you'd like a personalised video on this MG ZS, just ask at Seaford MG. Call us on 01323 898 818. Thank you.